Hey, my name is Nkiruka and you're welcome back to the channel. This video is all about me making Sisi's hair. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. And as you watch this video, please do well to like, comment and also share to other moms that this video is going to be helpful for. So now I'm going to leave you guys to watch the video, and please I beg you to engage by commenting and liking this video. Thank you so much as you do that.